Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Storytime with Ankita, and today my video is something different than the other videos. In other videos, I read storybooks, but today I will not read any storybooks. Today, I'm going to suggest four storybooks for those who like children's classics or those who are finding a adventurous story and th- if they are beginner in English, the language in these storybooks are so simple, so they will be easy to understand and easy to read. So before we start the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please tell me in the comment section if in this four books you have read one or you are thinking to select one and read it, or if you are new to my channel, please tell me that I'm here now with you. And if you are new to my channel, again, please subscribe my channel. So no more talking, let's get started. So, the first book I'm going to suggest is The Christmas Pig by J.K. Rowling. I hope you guys have heard about this book because this book is so famous. And the language of the book is too simple to read and too easy to understand. So, in the story, there is a boy named Jack who have a toy named Derpig. One day he lost his Derpig, and I want to say one thing that he shared everything to his toy. That he shared his happiness, his sadness. One day he saw that his parents got divorced, and he told everything to DP. He was very sad, but somehow he lost his DP, and then Jack was very sad. And how the story is about how Jack met with Christmas Pig and how Christmas Pig helped him to find DP again. And this is, guys, believe me, this is such a adventurous, emotional, dramatic story. And for this story, the the emotions that are put it in the story is just awesome. I mean, I have no words to explain this story. This is one of my most favorite stories. I hope you guys will also like this. And at last, you will can't expect that this will happen. Oh, I'm not gonna reveal whole the story so that you will don't get interested to read it. So go and read it now. So the next story I'm going to suggest is The Quarreling. There are so many people who love ghosty stories, who love some scary stories, but before I talk about the story, again I want to tell that it has a real story version and it also has a graphic or a comic version. So this is a comic version, you can read it, and in the comic there are some parts that are you will didn't find in the actual story. So you can choose anything, but I read the comic one, and that's also so much dramatic and beautiful. Let me say something about the story. This story is about a girl. I think I forgot her name. Okay, and she one day shifted in a house, and she is a great explorer. She liked to explore, and one day she was exploring his apartment, and somehow she got lost in her house. And now it's your time to find out how she lost in her apartment. And this is such a not scary, not much scary. This is, you can also read this for kids, for your kids. But this is not much scary, but the moments are a bit scary. But they are super fantastic, and the adventure that have the girl did, they are just speechless. This is one of my favorite story, and today all the stories I'm explaining, those all are my favorite stories. So please, 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 I'm suggesting you to pick one and read. You will find more interest to read rather than reviewing. So now the next story I'm going to review is Dogman by Dave Pilkey. Dogman, also such a famous story. I hope you guys have heard about it. This story is about a policeman who, and there is a villain named Petty the cat who always tried to destroy the world, and somehow the Dogman stop him. And you will learn in the first part of the story that how he became Dogman. So I'm not gonna reveal these. And the language of the story is very simple. Best story for kids. I mean, best stories. There are so many adventures in one book, but I'm suggesting you to read the first book, the first part of the series, then started with 1, 2, 3, like this. Go with this so that you will know who is Dogman, how he became Dogman. Okay, so the next story I'm going to suggest is this, the Ichabog. The Ichabog is also written by J.K. Rowling, and guys, believe me or not, but I'm a great fan of J.K. Rowling. His books, his things, she wrote, they are super awesome, super fantastic. The Ichabod is about a creature named Ichabod, and I'm not gonna reveal what is it. Um, and the story is about a kingdom named Cornucopia. There lived Bird and Daisy, who were friends. One day they got disconnected, and how they again get connected, you'll learn from this story. And this story is super awesome. It has so many adventures and murder, killing, drama. Who like this type of suspensive stories? Best stories for them. So I'm recommending you to read the story. And for those who are beginner in English, these all are the best stories for them, because you will learn some words and the languages. As I told you, all the books languages are super simple to understand, so you'll have no trouble to understand a word. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you liked today's story recommendations. Please tell me in the comment section. I'm requesting you to pick one and read one. And please like this video and share this with your friends and tell them to subscribe, because I'm gonna cry if you don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye. I will meet with another adventurous story.